800 plus sales. Yes, that's correct. Our last launch, RANKBeast, did 800 plus sales. Hey guys, Shabbir Khan here. First off, thanks to all the JVs who made our last launch a great success. Myself and my partner Anjani, either of us are always actively promoting and supporting our top leaders. And if we haven't hit your launch, we will hit you back. It's just a matter of the product aligning with our list. We are now back with our next blockbuster, TrafficBeast, launching on 9th November at 11 a.m. EST. Now, TrafficBeast, it's an all-in-one app with self-launching, trending, free-to-use web tools, fully hosted on our servers, and that create passive income websites. In other words, have you ever typed keywords like JPG to PNG, Word to PDF, PDF to Word, or maybe word counter or case converter? I'm sure you've typed these words on the Google search engine or any other search engine, and you wanted to solve that query regarding converting the images or counting the word counters. The interesting thing is that these keywords are being searched millions of times every single month. Our software, TrafficBeast, helps anyone launch a web tool website with 200 plus free-to-use web tools, just like the ones I've told you. Now, what you can do is maybe you can go to the Google Keyword Planner and type these keywords, JPG to PNG, Word to PDF, and you would see these are trending at anywhere between a search range of 100,000 to up to 1 million or 10 million. And our software can help you get this site up and running in 24 hours. I'm personally really excited to launch this software, and I can see the kind of traffic it is going to bring in for our customers and your customers. Now, we have $4,000 in cash prizes. We would have the main contest, the opening contest, and the closing contest. That means everybody gets the opportunity to win the cash prize. You just have to click that mail button. We are looking forward for your support, guys. All further details can be found on the JV page in this post. If you need anything, you can reach out to me or my partner Anjani via Facebook or Skype, and we would be happy to help you. That being said, cheers and see you on the leaderboards. This is Shabbir Khan. Bye-bye.